Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to be teaching ourselves on how to convert from PDF to Word document. This is the PDF file I want to convert, and we are not going to be contacting any online resources, but we are going to be doing it from our system here. So the first thing is that we are going to open the PDF document to see how it looks like. As you can see, this is a scanned or snapped document. It is not a Word document that was converted to PDF. Rather, it is a Word document that was printed and now scanned or snapped. So we want to convert it back to Word document so that we can be able to edit it and make modifications. So I'm going to close it. I'm going to right click on the document. Then I'm going to open it with, I will choose another app. Then I'm going to open it with Word. I'm going to do it just once. It might take time, a little bit time, not in hours, but actually in minutes, depending on how complex the PDF you are trying to open. So you can see I'm using Microsoft 365. It's converting the document, and you can see it's in 10%. So that's how we're going to be converting it. It's in 10% right now. 15% already. %70. I think it's getting faster now. And 100% opening in protected view. And now this is our document. You can see it's so neat to the extent that I can copy, though there are still need for us to do little modification like this, but you can see how neat and beautiful it has done it for us. So we can actually copy and do other things. If you want to edit it, you can just click enable editing here. You can see that it is protected. Enable editing. So as it is now, it is not a protected document again. Then we can edit it, change details to detail and all that. So this is how to convert your PDF document to Word document using Microsoft Word. Thank you.